had no money for classes. No tutor. No expensive books. Just a dream and a broken phone. People said I couldn't learn English alone. But I proved them wrong. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu for daily English confidence stories. My story is simple. I come from a poor family. We didn't have much money. I couldn't afford English courses. I couldn't hire teachers. I couldn't buy fancy learning materials. But I had something more powerful than money. I had determination. I decided I would learn English by myself, with whatever I could find. Free videos, free apps, free books from the library. Every morning before work, I practiced for 30 minutes. I stood in my small room and spoke to myself. Today I will work hard. I will learn English. I will build a better future. I didn't have a teacher to correct me, so I recorded myself and listened. I found my own mistakes and fixed them. I read free English stories on my phone, out loud, every night before bed. Even when I was tired, even when I wanted to sleep. I watched free YouTube videos. I shadowed the speakers. I copied their pronunciation, their rhythm, their confidence. My daily routine was morning, 15 minutes speaking to myself. Lunch break, 15 minutes reading. Night, 15 minutes shadowing videos. Just 45 minutes a day, but consistent. Every single day, people around me laughed. They said, "You can't learn English without a teacher. You're wasting your time." But I didn't listen. I kept practicing, day after day, month after month. After 1 year, something amazing happened. I got a job that required English. In the interview, I spoke confidently. I communicated clearly, and I got the job. My colleagues were surprised. "Where did you learn English? Which institute?" I smiled and said, "I learned alone, with determination and daily practice." That job changed my life. It gave me opportunities one never had before. And it all started with free practice and strong commitment. Here's what I learned. You don't need money to learn English. You need discipline. You don't need expensive courses. You need consistency. If you have a phone and internet, you have everything you need. Free videos, free apps, free stories. The resources are there. You just need to use them. Start today, right now. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Don't wait for money. Don't wait for anything. Find a mirror. Speak to yourself. Read out loud. Shadow speakers online. Practice every day. In 1 year, you will be amazed at your progress. Trust me, I lived it. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu and start your free English learning journey. Because poverty cannot stop your dreams. Only you can stop yourself. Speak today. Practice today. Succeed tomorrow. Your English journey needs nothing but your commitment.